Billy! Billy, come on. Wake up. Oh my gosh, it's a newt! Hey, little fella. Are you okay? Warm me up. I think I'm gonna name you Billy. It's so skinny and cold. It's missing part of its tail. You tell me when you see a spot. Tropical island right here for you. All right, we're here. Go ahead. Billy? Billy! Billy, come on. Wake up. Hold my hand. Billy! Billy! Here you go. You okay now? All right, you're free. You're free. Not today, jellyfish. You're going back in the water. See ya, buddy. You're trying to wash up too. Oh man, don't sting me. Ah! Hey, little fella. Hang in there, bud. Hey, hang in there. I'm gonna get you to safety. Oh, look, he's barnacle-y. All right, let's get him back to the water. Going home, bud. But we can't just put him here. We gotta put him in the rocks. Ah! We're almost there. But I'm not giving up. He's getting another chance at life today. Breathe. Or whatever it is you do. Look, it's home. All right, you're free. You're free. You're free. I don't know if he's gonna make it. You're home now. Oh, hey, little buddy. You okay? Let's get you flipped over. Clean you off a bit. Let's get you back to the water. All right, go on home now. Hey, drop a follow if you love ocean animals.